Ever pondered whether your relocation expenses are tax deductible? Well, you're about to find the answer to this taxing question. In the past, the Internal Revenue Service allowed individuals to deduct certain moving expenses from their tax obligations. However, this isn't the case anymore. A few years back, in 2017, tax laws underwent a significant change. The Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, signed into law in December of that year, suspended the deduction for moving expenses. This means as of now, you cannot deduct these costs from your taxable income, even if your move is closely related to starting a new job. But wait, there's a twist. This suspension isn't for everyone. If you're an active duty member of the Armed Forces of the United States and your move is due to a military order and permanent change of station, you're in luck. The law still permits you to deduct your moving expenses. Now let's say you're not in the military. Are there any other ways to get some financial relief? Absolutely. While you can't deduct moving expenses, your new employer might be able to reimburse you. These reimbursements are often tax-free, which means they won't increase your taxable income. However, it's important to note that not all moving expenses qualify for reimbursement. Generally, only direct moving costs like hiring movers, renting a moving truck, or shipping your belongings are eligible. So, if you're planning to buy new furniture for your new home, sadly, you'll have to bear the cost yourself. In summary, the general rule is that relocation expenses are not tax deductible unless you are an active duty military member moving due to a military order. But don't lose heart, you can still seek reimbursement from your new employer for direct moving expenses. Remember, tax laws can be complicated and change frequently, so always consult a tax professional to understand the latest regulations and how they apply to your specific situation. After all, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you get to keep.